My name is Shayan Abdurrahim, and I have secured All India rank 166 in NEET 2025. I've been a student of Akash Institute since 2023, and after giving my class 10th board exams, I had come across the ANTHE All India Scholarship exam, and I always knew that if I wanted to pursue my dream of becoming a doctor since a child, then I knew that Akash would be my go-to for preparing for NEET. And so I had written the ANTHE exam when I was in class 10, back when I was 15 years old. And it was writing the exam, I secured a very good scholarship. Like Akash gave me a very good amount of scholarship so that I could easily enroll into Akash for their medical program. And since then, it has just been a journey of just overall growth and improvement for the past 2 years, and it's been really the most memorable 2 years of my life. I started from not a lot. I had never been into a coaching institute before, and I didn't have a lot of exposure before I joined Akash. But coming into this environment and all the facilities which were provided by Akash, I eventually began to catch up with my own dreams, and I was able to do the things which I never knew what I was capable of doing. And even though I didn't start in the beginning with a very with a very hefty background of being into being topping or being a topper, but being here I realized that I had a chance, and being in Akash gave me the opportunity to realize that I could do a lot more. And so I grew, and being here, supported by the faculties and the teachers, and most importantly, like the environment which is being provided here, it is just so awesome for a person to develop, that I could see myself improving over the past 2 years in ways I could never imagine. And obviously, all of this support really goes over to the faculties, like my teachers, Pranesh sir, Shivram sir, Ram Prasad sir, and even Murthy sir. All the faculties were there with us, from in each step. They watched me grow from who I was to what I could become, and it's really about the process. Like, this journey was very motivating and inspiring for myself, and so I would like to tell you that being in Akash is like one of the best things that I have done till now, and this really helped me secure my future and my dream as a medical practitioner, being a doctor in the future.